Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to WhatsApp using device verification step by step. To authenticate to WhatsApp using device verification, begin by downloading the WhatsApp application from your App Store. Install the app on your device and open it once the installation is complete. You will now see a welcome screen prompting you to start the authentication process. Tap on the Agree and Continue button to accept the terms and conditions. Next, select your country from the drop-down list and enter your phone number. Double-check that the phone number is correct, as this is crucial for verification. Once you've entered your phone number, tap on the Next button. WhatsApp will now send a verification code to your phone via SMS. Wait for the SMS to arrive, and check your messages for the code. Once you receive the code, enter it into the verification screen in the app. If you've entered the correct code, your phone number will be verified. In some cases, WhatsApp may offer a call option to verify your number if you do not receive the SMS. If you choose the call option, listen carefully to the automated message and enter the code when prompted. After verification, you'll be prompted to set up your profile by adding your name and a profile picture. Once you've completed your profile setup, you're ready to use WhatsApp. You can now start messaging your contacts and explore the app's features. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.